In today's world, technology is growing very fast and the need for electricity is increasing every day. Electricity is used in homes, industries, and businesses to run many devices and systems. However, a lot of energy is wasted because there is no proper way to monitor and control how electricity is used. This leads to higher cost and also harm the environment by increasing population and global warming. To solve this problem, new technologies like IoT are being used. IoT is different devices that connect and share data in real time. This helps in monitoring energy usage and controlling devices automatically without human effort. It makes the system smarter, more efficient, and easier to manage. The project of Smart IoT System for power monitoring and automating light control is designed to reduce energy waste, improve efficiency. The system uses sensors, Raspberry Pi, cloud services, to monitor electricity usage and control the lights automatically. For example, lights can turn on when someone enters a room and turn off when the room is empty or when there is enough sunlight. The project is using three methodologies, which are street light automation, room light automation, power monitoring, and alert system. The street light automation, it works by turning on only when it's dark and when there is a movement on the road. It uses Raspberry Pi as the main controller, along with the light sensor, Pi camera, and wireless control, the ENER model and ENER Genie socket. First, the light sensor check the brightness of the environment. If it becomes dark, the system activates the camera. The camera then captures live videos, and the system uses softwares like OpenCV and YOLO to detect people or vehicles. If any movement is detected, the Raspberry Pi sends signal to turn the street light on. If no movement is detected, the light turns off to save energy. This process keeps repeating automatically in real time. Room lighting automation. The room lighting system automatically controls indoor lighting based on the human persistence and natural light. It uses Raspberry Pi, motion sensor, light sensor, and wireless control systems like ENER and ENER Genie socket. First, the motion sensor checks if someone is in the room. If motion is detected, the Raspberry Pi then checks the light sensor to see if the room is dark or bright. If the room is dark, the system turns on the light. If the room already has enough sunlight, the light stays off. If no one is in the room, the light stays off regardless of the brightness. The system runs continuously and ensures the light are used when needed only. The last one is the power monitoring and alert system. Power monitoring system is used to measure electricity usage and send alert if there is too high usage. It uses a Raspberry Pi, electricity sensor, and Groove BI model, and cloud services like ThingSpeak and Twilio. The electricity sensor measures how electricity is flowing in the circuit and send this data to the Raspberry Pi through the Groove BI. The Raspberry Pi calculates the power usage and compare it to set the limit. If the power usage is normal, the system just saves the data in the cloud for monitoring. If the power usage goes above the limit, the system sends an alert message to the user using Twilio app. It can turn off the device using a relay for safety. The process repeats every few seconds to keep monitoring continuously. At the end, the project shows how smart technologies can be used to manage electricity in better and more efficient way. The system uses IoT devices, sensors, and Raspberry Pi to monitor power usage and control lighting automatically. It reduces energy waste by turning lights on only when needed and off when they are not required. Overall, this project helps reduce electricity consumption, lower the cost, and protect the environment. It's a simple and effective solution that can be used in homes, industries, and smart cities in future.